Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Microsoft Copilot for Teams meeting action items easy tutorial. To configure Microsoft Copilot for Teams meeting action items, start by launching Microsoft Teams on your navigate to the Teams application and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the team or channel where your meeting is scheduled. Click on the calendar icon on the left sidebar to view your scheduled meetings. Select the meeting for which you want to configure action items. In the meeting details, ensure that you have enabled Microsoft Copilot. To do this, look for the options or settings within the meeting details. Find the section labeled Copilot Settings or similar. Toggle the setting to enable Copilot for the meeting. Once enabled, join the meeting at the scheduled time. During the meeting, engage in discussions and note action items that arise. Microsoft Copilot will automatically capture these action items. As you discuss, keep an eye on the chat or right sidebar for updates from Copilot. After the meeting concludes, navigate back to the meeting chat. Here, you will find a summary generated by Microsoft Copilot, including the identified action items. Review the list of action items to ensure accuracy. You can then assign these tasks to team members directly from the chat. To assign a task, click on the action item and select the relevant team member. Add any additional details or due dates as needed. Once assigned, notify the team members about their tasks through the chat. With these steps, you have effectively configured Microsoft Copilot for seamless tracking of meeting action items. This enhances collaboration and ensures accountability within your team. Remember to revisit the action items regularly to check on progress. By utilizing Copilot, you streamline your workflow and improve meeting efficiency. This concludes the tutorial on configuring Microsoft Copilot for Teams meeting action items. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.